friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, enjoying your life. So friends, as you all know that my name is Shivani Gupta and I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan. Why am I recording this video? Because I just want to improve my spoken English and my communications English along with you friends. Truly, trust me. So friends, yesterday we have seen had uploaded one video related to like how we can talk about our likes and dislikes, because I learned like this is how we can talk about our likes and dislikes, our hobbies, about our interest, how do we spend our free time or our leisure time, you can say. So friends, today I thought like on which topic I can make a video. Then I went on Google and suggested topic would there, and I can also talk about my future plans. What is my future plan? What I want to do in my future? And 2026, let's say in 2026, what do I want to do? So this is what I'm going to talk about today and what I'm going to discuss. I just hope friends that you will not gonna bored and you will not gonna be like, oh my god, why she's speaking too much. You will feel that okay, this video is quite interesting and we are learning something out of this video. Trust me friends, if you also want to talk about your future plans from like here from 0 to top level, you can see this video and this video will gonna help you out. Trust me friends, mark my words. So yeah friends, as we all know that everyone has dreams, goals and plans and targets in their life. Everyone wants to achieve each and everything in their life, whether it could be good career or successful life or a fame or a name or a prosperity, trust, I would say positivity. We all want that happiness in our life. How we'll get that? How we'll gonna achieve that? By working hard, by working consistently, by targeting one goal and hitting it on a daily basis. Keep working on it on a daily basis. This is how we can achieve any dream, I would say, any goal, and we can execute our plan. So friends, I just want to know that what's your dream? What do you want to become? What's your goal? What's your heartiest desire? What do you want to become in your future? Although I know all the questions has same meaning, but friends, trust me, I want to know it from your end. What do you want to do in your future? What's your goal? Let's say if you're preparing for any kind of government exam right now, so maybe clearing that government examination would be your goal. And if you are fighting for preparing for C examination, clearing the C examination would be your future goal, isn't it friends? Yeah, it is. Suppose somebody is not preparing for government examination, like neither preparing for government examination nor preparing for C examination or any private examination, but that person is in his school, in his or her school. What would be his or her future plan? Can we make a guess of it? We know friends, they just want to pass out that next class, and maybe they have this thing in their mind that oh my god, I just want to get rid out of this school, isn't it? Although I don't know whether it's true or not, just do let me know in the comment section friends, trust me. So friends, we have seen how we can talk about our future plans so far. Although it's just the starting of the video, the whole video is about to, I would say, run. But so before I'll begin, I'll start. I would like to make a humble request friends. Please watch this video till the end and stay tuned. Although I'm not going to take much of your time, I'll take only 5 minutes, that's it. 5 to 10 minutes, yeah, it can go up to 10 minutes friends. Trust me, can go up to. So friends, as you all know, if I have to talk about my plans, my future goals, let us first see what are certain words when we are talking about our future we can use. Certain vocabularies. It could be your what? Become. What do you want to become? Become is the first word. Next is what do you want to learn? Learn is second word. Next is what do you want to. Next is start. What do you want to start? Do you want to start up your own business? Next is work. What do you want to work for? Do you want to work for your own, like for yourself, or you want to work for others? Next is achieve. What do you want to achieve in your future? Do you want to achieve success? And you want to achieve your goals? You want to achieve your targets? I would say your plans. So this is how we can talk about our future by using these words. You can use any of them. Either it could be work, achieve, become, start, or learn. It's up to you, friends, truly. Next is, now let us move to like a sample, I would say a dialogue. I will talk about my future plans. In the same manner, you can also talk about your future plan. So friends, trust me, what you have to do, if you want to imitate after me, you can do that. And if you want to write it in your notebook, you can do that as well. But although what I prefer, that just practice along with me, friends, because I'm not a trainer, I'm not an excellent speaker. I'm just here to improve our spoken English together. That's it. That's the major goal. That's the major point of view of this video. So yeah, without wasting a further, let's get started, friend. Okay, although friends, you know that my name is, you already knew this thing, that my name is Shivani Gupta and I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan. If I truly talk about my future plans, and let us say if I talk about my plans for 2026, friends, to be honest with you, you already know this and I've already told you so many times that I just want to be an excellent spoken trainer. And before that, it's my ultimate goal although. But for 2026, I just want to be a fluent speaker. Literally, friends, trust me, I want to be a fluent speaker. I will remove each and every obstacle, every hindrance that will gonna come in my way. Although I'm working on my vocabulary also I'm improving and enhancing my, I would say, vocabulary by watching videos, by searching on ChatGPT, by learning from Google itself. And I'm also listening to so many videos. You can say I usually listen, I would say, not just so many like typical kind of videos. I just prefer animated kind of stories so that I can at least grab the idea how I can frame sentences and how I can speak slowly and gradually. So yeah, I do that. Along with that, for reading, I also read a book for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, not daily. Trust me, friends, because I am not a good reader. So, but still, it's so important. I generally prefer reading article which is quite interesting. Then only I read it. Just do let me know, friends. Are you a good reader? Are you interested in reading? If yes, please let me know what is your favorite novel. What is your favorite book so far? So yeah, it's just. I just want to know it from you. And all the friends, I'm pretty much, I would say, interested in learning English. I'm just want to improve. I just want to improve my communication skills, my spoken English. This is my ultimate goal, and I have short-term goals also. Like short-term scene, I would say. I don't know whether you will understand, or I just know. Yeah, I can assure for that. That friends, there are two goals: short-term goals and long-term goals. We all know that short-term goals are created for short duration, and on the other hand, long-term goal actually created for long-term duration. So yeah, 2026, it's my short-term goal. It's not my future plan, complete future plan. Although it's a part of my future plan. So for 2026, friends, literally, this being a fluent speaker, being a fantastic, I would say, spoken trainer, and I would say also I just want to be a good listener. Friends, trust me. Because whenever I feel this, that if you're not a good listener, you cannot understand what other person wants to hear from you and what other person is seeking in you. So yeah, being a good listener is also, I would say, I want to be that. Yeah, this is all about my future plans. Although friends, if you want to know about my long-term future plans, please do let me know in the comment section. Although if I talk about the short-term plans, friends, now you would be like, you don't have any career plans. I do have, friends. I literally do have. If I talk about my studies, as you all know that I have done MBA into Human Resource Department. I already worked as an HR recruiter. Then I already worked as an also worked as an HR executive. So yeah, these are my, I would say, future plans, but not my ultimate long run goal. My long term goal and in the long run, I want something else from myself. What do you want from yourself, friends? What is your future plan? How do you see yourself? Like where do you see yourself? After 2 years down the line, after 5 years down the line, what do you want to become? I just want your answer. If you want to record your own video, you can record it and send it to me. But if you are ready, you can type it in the comment section, then do that. That Shivani, you want to be a content creator, you want to be I would say a software engineer, we want to be an HR, we want to be a teacher, we want to be a good painter, we want to be a musician, we want to be a dancer. So anything, friends, trust me, just go in the comment section, type it and send it to me. I'm always ready waiting for your comments. Although, friends, I just hope that you will get a little bit of idea how can you talk about your future. What you just have to do, just use 3 words. Want. First is that I want to become that, I want to become that, that, and so on. Next is what you are going to do. So like I want to be a fluent speaker, I am going to improve my vocabulary, I'm learning and reading so many, I would say, yeah, I'm learning new words in a day, idioms of a day, idioms and then phrasal verbs. And I will, the next word is will. So will is talking about when you are talking the decisions and the promises. So I will assure you, friends, that we're gonna speak in English in a fluent manner. We will do that in just no time, by 2026 itself. So trust me, friends, although I know that I'm a bit nervous because I don't want to wrap up this session, friends. But on the same hand, similarly, I don't want to make it a bit longer. So I just hope, friends, that you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed, if you have learned something out of it, then please give it a like, share it and subscribe to your own YouTube channel. But if you have not learned anything out of it, if you found out any mistakes that I did here and there, please do let me know. I'll rectify it and I improve it. But friends, please trust me. If you have not learned anything, if this video didn't give you any kind of insights, give it a dislike. Trust me, friends, give it a dislike. Without thinking twicely, do that. But friends, before leaving, I would say just do one thing. Just type it your answer, what you want to become in your future, and let me know in the comment section actually. Even just one line would be, I would say, would be gonna do a big improvement. So please, friends, do this and I'll see you with another one just like this one. Till then, take care, friends. Bye bye.